This is what we're going to draw. To draw this patterned Christmas tree, I'm going to start by doing a bit of planning. I think you're going to need to do this. So drawing very gently with a pencil, I'm going to draw this Christmas tree shape like that. And if that's the middle, then we want the trunk of the tree. And we're going to want the flower pot down below. So that's going to be something like that. And then here we're going to want to have a star. So draw 2 arrow lines coming down like that. And then going up to meet at a point. And then go straight across. And then these lines continue to join. Now I'm going to draw that star in there like that. And then down here I'm going to draw 2 lines across. So I'm not going to draw the outline, but what I'm going to do is come about halfway up like that, draw 2 lines, come halfway that distance again and draw 2 lines, halfway that distance and draw 2 lines, and then we're going to do the same across like that. So doing halfway in between each pair of lines. And then we've got the trunk of the tree, and then the rim of the flower pot. And then we're going to draw 2 lines across there. And we'll have a line there. And then 1, 2 there and 2 across there like that. And you want them to come and really meet the line at the end. Then we can start the patterns, and here we're just going to do like X's, which is a really nice, it's a standard sort of kind of Christmas jumper knitting pattern, isn't it? Just these X's like that. Going across, and I squeeze one in there like that, yes. And if you want, you can put little dots in as well. Actually, just put one in the middle of each one there. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And then next we're going to have circles, so that's nice and easy too. And we've got these lines on the outside, so we're eventually going to colour them in the background. So try and make things touch at the edges there to get the shape of the edges. And here we're going to do a wavy line like that. And then if we come in like that, you can have these, they can be leaves, or they can be Christmas lights. So we're doing a little sort of curve like that, filling in the loops. And then we're going to do stars. Now this is a bit more tricky. So I'm going to up, down, across like that. Up, down, across, and back. Up, down, across, and back. So I'm penciling these in to so that I can draw them in like that. And this is going to take a little while, so I'll just zip through these. And then we've got another one, so we're going to start here with an X, but we're going to put a plus in between. So multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, add. Can we squeeze a little multiply in there? Yes, we can. And if you want, you can just add a little bit of sort of dots in there, maybe in there with the plus sign as well. So it's that knitting kind of pattern thing again, isn't it? So now we're going to do another up and down, and let's put little kind of baubles in between like that. And then here go 1, 2, 3, and a bit of a curve out to the edges, and we're going to make these holly leaves. 1, 2, 3. Try not to go over the line here because we want to keep that shape. And then this is a bit tricky, so we're going to do a little circle, a little box above, and this is going to be kind of a Christmas decoration like that. And just do these little flicks in there, maybe just extra little ones just to fill up that shape. Down at the bottom here, let's just do a wiggly, wiggly, wiggly shape. Let's put a little cross in that one. Let's put dots in just to keep the pattern going. And let's have some circles. Oh, I should have done it at the edge there. So I'm going to do ellipsy shaped circles. Stars. Like that. And let's just have X's again, like that. And when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then, because you didn't press too hard, you can erase all those pencil lines. And now you can see that's starting to look like something. Then all you need to do is to colour it in, like this video, and subscribe to draw stuff real easy.